Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this simple video, I'm gonna show you how you can remove songs from a playlist that we have previously created. Okay, after you open the Spotify apps, just select your library and then select playlist. Okay, select the playlist that you want to remove the songs. For example, I'm going to remove the memories from Maroon 5. Just click on the three dot and then select remove from this playlist. Just click on it, and as you can see, the song has been removed from the playlist. So that's it. I hope this simple tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any question, please leave in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.